Mosope Awabemi. I'm 17 years old and I am a recipient of the Youth Mega Grant. So my project is called Yoruba Speaks and it aims to educate participants about the history of Yoruba culture, the language, using authentic text, and testing the participants on the knowledge so far of the program. And so far, the only challenge we've encountered is online participation as we use Zoom because our participants are located worldwide. And sometimes they haven't been able to join the Zoom meetings, but we have tests and we have follow-ups emails that we send to them consistently about what has happened in the program for the day. And they read them and they come back to class and are able to catch up with the rest of their peers who attended the class. The microgrant has increased my passion for promoting awareness on African culture, specifically Yoruba culture, because I'm now able to communicate with my participants in the Yoruba language and don't have to translate all the time. There are less communication barriers, which is very effective for me. From today's workshop, I have begun to understand the process of project management more. I have taken away that in order to communicate properly, you have to be clear, direct, and authentic. And I will continue to implement that in my communication to my participants in my workshop. I definitely will be open to participating in more of these sorts of programs to continue to raise awareness on African culture.